You have a 6-meter-long tube inside you, and it's not your spine. It's your intestine, and it's packed with fascinating features that will make you appreciate the complexity of the human body. So, why should you care about your intestine? Well, without it, you wouldn't be able to absorb the nutrients you need to survive. It's time to explore the incredible world inside you. The small intestine is the longest part of your digestive system, and it's where most of your nutrient absorption happens. It's like a super long, thin straw that's coiled up inside you, with tiny fingers called villi that help grab onto nutrients. But why is it so long? The answer lies in its surface area, which is huge. This allows your body to absorb as many nutrients as possible from the food you eat. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. These tiny creatures play a crucial role in your health, from digesting food to producing vitamins. They even influence your mood and immune system. It's like having a tiny city inside you, with different neighborhoods and characters all working together to keep you alive. Fiber is like food for your gut microbiome. It helps keep them healthy and happy, which in turn keeps you healthy. But why is fiber so important? It's because it helps feed the good bacteria in your gut, which produces short-chain fatty acids that give your body energy. It's like a win-win situation. You eat fiber, your gut microbiome thrives, and you get more energy. Your gut and brain are connected by a complex network of nerves and chemicals. This means that what happens in your gut can affect your mood, cognitive function, and even your behavior. It's like your gut is talking to your brain, and vice versa. This connection is often referred to as the gut-brain axis, and it's a fascinating area of research that's still being explored. What you eat can have a huge impact on your gut health. A diet high in processed foods and sugar can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome, leading to a range of health problems. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help keep your gut healthy and happy. It's like your gut is a garden, and the food you eat is the fertilizer that helps it grow. Research into gut health is a rapidly evolving field, with new discoveries being made all the time. From fecal transplants to probiotics, there are many exciting developments that could revolutionize the way we treat gut-related diseases. It's an exciting time for gut health, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. An imbalance of the gut microbiome, also known as dysbiosis, has been linked to a range of diseases, from inflammatory bowel disease to mental health disorders. But why is this? It's because your gut microbiome plays a crucial role in your immune system, and an imbalance can lead to a range of problems. By understanding the connection between your gut and disease, we can develop new treatments and therapies to help prevent and cure these conditions. And that's a wrap on our journey through the incredible world of your intestine. We hope you've learned something new and fascinating about the 6-meter-long tube inside you. Remember, your gut is a complex and amazing system that deserves your care and attention. By taking care of your gut, you're taking care of your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the human body and beyond.